tell me why Game Maker Studio is bad.
Why not ask me what I think of it in general?
I can find lots of glowing reviews by professionals who use it, and fanboys who want to justify the cost and learning curve. I want to know why it is not so great.
You can get the Studio, or Basic Edition for free.
That's the minimal version. You have to pay for the professional version, to gain the ability to do Android testing, Windows desktop export and the ability to work in teams.
Unfortunately, you have to pay even more per module to gain the ability to export to the Mac and Ubuntu, several hundred to export to Tizen, or the Windows Phone.
Who cares about the Windows Phone?
Some game development engines have limited functions for the free version, and require $200 or $300 licenses to publish on multiple platforms. Yo-Yo Games charges you $100 or more per platform, not on Basic.
That's one reason it is bad.
If you buy the professional version, you still have to pay several hundred to publish to PlayStation 4 and Xbox One.
That can approach $1,000 for the ability to publish to all the platforms.
The pricing structure is an incentive to buy the Master Collection license, which costs around $800 as of 2014.
We can complain about cost all day, but it may be worth it, if it makes me money.
One of the weaknesses of the Game Maker community is that it is full of fanboys, and lacking user support by other users. You'll get lots of critiques of the look of a game and the questions you ask, but few tips to solve them.
So I have to pay Yo-Yo for tech support.
Or struggle to find a solution yourself. And Game Maker's language GML is lousy from its inception to its implementation.
You do not have to program in GML. That's the point of the drag-and-drop interface.
To customize the engine or handle some advanced functions, you do need to work in GML. And that language lacks arrays, has clumsy data structures and lacks a debugger.
If I had the skills to program and debug a program, I'd be working in Unity and C++, or some other platform and language combo.
Or making games in HTML5, and developing skills that make you a great web developer too.
Game Maker Studio is easier to use than HTML5, plus JavaScript to make games. I have heard it has its bugs though.
And Game Maker Studio is slow to get bug fixes for the interface, and each update seems to add new ones.
I do not know if being able to blame the bugs I accidentally make on the game engine is a plus or a minus.